this is Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our Prosperity Essence. So Prosperity is our premier best-selling essence from our planetary line for promoting opportunity, wealth, expansion, and luck. You feel stuck or stagnant in your work or in your life in general, and like things are not flowing properly, you might want to work with this in conjunction with something like our Removing Obstacles, which is also from our planetary line. And that is really for when you counter obstacles in your field and you want to help push past them. You can work with removing obstacles first, over the main areas we always suggest: forehead, temples, base of skull, over your aura, wherever you feel blocks or resistance or frustration, followed by the Prosperity Essence. So the first is to break through the resistance, and the second is for staying in a flow of optimism and promoting expansion and ultimately energies of success. Thank you very much.